These are some of the mounts that I have for my action camera. This is a large tube mount. The diameter is around 5 centimeters. You can max it out by 5. This part you can rotate around 360 degrees. You just have to depress this lever and it rotates. You can mount this on a large tube like the front fork of your motorcycle. Then I have this mount, which is very useful when you don't have a proper chin mount for your camera. You can rotate this as per how you want, and here you can attach the camera. Of course, there are more attachments if you want it to be more curved, and you can loosen it up, or you can just straighten it up, so it's more flexible that way. This is a flat mount with suction cup. It needs a flat surface. Frankly, this thing is not very useful. It's a pretty low quality mount. What happened was when I was riding the bike, this portion it became very loose, and then because of the wind pressure it kept on tilting, so it wasn't much use to me. The camera also tilted itself, and this is how you remove it. The suction is removed. That was not working, so I got this. This has got 3 suction cups for maximum stability, and you can then accordingly adjust them on a flat surface, or you can curve them. Just lock it into place. It hardly moves at all. It's very good. You can use it on a car also. That's a very good thing. You just have to lift up suction cups. So there you go. Here you can attach the mount, rotate it however you want. This is my Xiaomi 4K camera mounted on the 3-axis gimbal, or you can call it a gyro or is gimbal, and then you have to switch it on. It stabilizes the camera in 3 different axes, so you get a pretty decent picture. But what happens is, especially on the bike, because of the vibrations, the camera is not able to fix it, and so it often goes to its extremes and gets stuck there. Direction of the base plate is considered the direction for locking the axis. So even if you move the base plate, the camera will remain locked and it will move accordingly. Now you can just see it remains stable as far as possible. The range of movements is almost 360 degrees and around 270 degrees in some directions. It's deliberately slow, so you can get a very smooth picture. You can get a very smooth transition. It's not shaky like this. And then you can just change the modes. It's locked. So the base direction changes. Now you can shift the base and the camera will remain locked in whatever position you are facing it. There's one more mode, but I don't think that's very useful. I personally haven't used it yet. And now we have this extendable selfie stick. It has got a remote. It's Xiaomi branded selfie stick with remote. You can just control the camera via this switch recording on and off, and here you can change the video or camera settings. You can tilt it by unlocking this. You can tilt it and then just lock it in place, so it doesn't move that way. And of course it's extendable by another foot, so totally it gives around 2.5 to 3 feet. And last but not the least, I have a chest mount. This is the head mount that I have. I have a chest mount too, but it's somewhere amongst. I haven't got the chest mount with me right now. So that's it. So these are some of the mounts that I use during my motovlogging videos, and also for use during my family outings for creating memories. These have been brought off AliExpress, so they are relatively cheap. They are not very expensive, and it's a very good way to create memories. So that's it. Thanks for watching.